Generosity is an expression of God's grace working in us. I want to remind all of you today, kung nandito ka at ikaw ay medyo mapagbigay, the reason why you have the ability to give because of the grace of God in your life. Never mapupunta sa atin ang glory. The reason why you can give, the reason why you are so good to others, the reason why you can forgive and to love one another, because of the grace of God. Si Apostle Paul, pwede naman niyang ipagyabang. Mga Korinto, ang babait ng mga to ha. Extreme poverty, welled up in generosity, and they are joyful. Hindi niya sinabi yon. Ang inuna niya, sinabi niya pala yon, pero ang inuna niya is the grace that God has given to them.